and then we can select the gender. After that, height, weight, telephone number, and address, and email. The next, so registration has been successfully completed, and now we will move for the healthcare device. So there are
Please hold the sensor to begin heart rate
another functions
determination,
and
or select
applications.
another
The
application.
very first application is the heart rate monitor. Just double click on the Opio healthcare. This page will come, and we can see here the functions and applications. The very first one is heart rate monitor. Now what we have to do, lightly holding the AIO device to correctly
Please
measure
continue holding
your
sensor when initial
heartbeat
heart
and
rate is
cardiogram.
determined.
You can
Please
observe
keep
your
the sensor
heartbeat
still and
status
don't
from
press too
the
hard.
test result.
Continue holding. Current
Now
instantaneous
you can
heart
see
rate is
the
displayed. When
clean
you wish to stop, release sensor.
pulse is showing on the screen. There is no disturbance at all, and as well as you can see the heart rate is recording on the top, as well as in the right hand side you can see one human idol, that's heart is beating, and the moment the heart rate is increasing, the idol's color is also changing in the background. So heart rate status is classified as various levels: slow, slightly slow, average, fast, etc. And you may release your fingers anytime you wish. The moment you
Your
release,
heart
the
rate is
pulse
slightly
record will
slow.
be closed,
Please hold the sensor for next heart rate
and
determination,
it will
or select
also
another
notify that your
application.
heart rate is slightly slow, and also it will tell you your heart rate is currently slightly slow compared to the average in the population, and it will also suggest you that sometimes this is due to good physical condition. So this is a fantastic part of the software. And now the second application is stress monitor. We'll click on that
Please select your
icon.
gender and age
We'll
group from the
select
drop-down
our
boxes below.
gender and age range, and we'll click next. Before that we go, I will describe a little bit about stress. Now in details we can find in in our website. We have already described what is stress. The stress includes imbalance of the autonomic nervous system with decreased parasympathetic nervous system, increased sympathetic nervous system activity, and the effect of stress is really very serious. Persistent stress can lead to illness and mental disorder. The device correctly measures the fluid pressure index through the sympathetic and parasympathetic nerve, and regular test results help us to study about autonomic nervous system and the cardiac condition of any individual. Accordingly, we can initiate predictive heart care. The status of the pressure index is classified as 5 levels: calm, slightly calm, normal, slightly stressed, or stressed. So we will start this process now. We'll
Please
hold
hold
the
the sensor.
device.
Please continue holding sensor until your stress level is determined.
You can see on the right hand side human model, a top
You
of
can
his
continue
head,
holding the sensor
one
for updates to your
bar
stress
is
levels,
rushing
or
towards right
release the
side.
sensor to
Let
stop
it get
now.
completed. It will take 30 seconds time.
Your stress level is normal.
So it's showing that my stress level is normal. However, I would request you to run twice or thrice.
Please hold the sensor to begin. Please continue holding sensor until your stress level is determined.
To understand a patient's stress level properly,
You can continue holding the sensor for updates to your stress level, or release the sensor to stop now.
you can also follow the instructions, the machine instructions in a female or male voice you're hearing. Alright,
Your
it's
stress
done
level
now.
is normal.
So it's again normal. So click report icon on the lower left corner to check the history record of the stress level. In addition, you can also check save or analyze to save and print the record. Rhythmic regulation of the heart has an important influence of the progression of heart failure. This report is highly recommended for nervous system and stress level monitoring purpose. So now you can see with the date and time stamp this recording. So if it is going up or down, you can come to know from this graph. However, it will look like this. Okay, so you can understand the progress of the patient, whether he is going to recover or he needs more care. So now what is the solution of the stresses? So these stresses, or we call it all-in-one healthcare, can help you to detect it earlier, recognize it earlier, and manage it earlier. This is the unique combination of technology excellence and an ancient method that keeps you heart smart, stress free. Also helps to recover, prevent recurrence of heart problems, and improve your health. So the third application is stress reduction trainer or pranayama based breathing trainer. So this
Please
one,
choose a breathing rate and hold the sensor to
you
begin
just need to
training.
hold the
Please
device as
continue
you were
holding the
holding
sensor while
before,
baseline data are acquired.
and we need to listen its instructions to follow this.
Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Inhale. Please choose a breathing rate and
Now you can
hold the
see
sensor
that
to
this is
begin
this
another
is the
training
heart rate.
round.
This is our heart rate. It is tracing the heart rate, and you can see, as we can see, it is stabilizing the heart rate. So the more stabilized breathing pattern, more stabilized heart rate, the more stabilized body, and that's very simple way to keep. However, I will describe you the pranayama. Pranayama is nothing but the process of inhalation process. It has a four part. One is purak, then another one we call it antakumbhak, and then rechak, and the last part is the bahik kumbhak. It's a slow inhalation process. You need to inhale slowly, that is rechak, and then you need to hold the breath inside your body, and then after you need to exhale slowly. This is called rechak, and after you exhale slowly, you need to stop breathing inside. So it's called bahik kumbhak. So this is the process. However, pranayama based breathing practice corrects under activity of the PNS and GABA system, in part through simulations of the vagus nerves, the main peripheral pathway of the PNS, and reduce allostatic load. Depression, epilepsy, post traumatic stress disorder, and chronic pain exemplify medical conditions that are exacerbated by stress, have low heart rate variability, and low GABAergic activity, respond to pharmacologic agents that increase activity of the GABA system, and show symptom improvement in response to pranayama based interventions. Please visit our official site